How to turn off Incognito Mode in Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to close your incognito tabs and go back to regular browsing. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. From there, tap the tab switcher icon at the top right of the screen. This is the square icon showing your number of open tabs. After that, you'll see two sections at the top of the tab switcher, your regular tabs and your incognito tabs, indicated by the dark background and the spy icon. At this point, tap on the Incognito section to see all your open incognito tabs. From here, close each incognito tab individually by tapping the X on each one, or tap the three dots at the top right and select Close All Incognito Tabs to remove them all at once. Following this, once all incognito tabs are closed, Chrome will automatically exit incognito mode and take you back to your regular browsing session. Finally, keep in mind that closing incognito tabs permanently clears all browsing history, cookies, and site data from that session, so nothing from your incognito browsing will be saved on your device. That's how you turn off incognito mode in Chrome on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.